Top 5 Best Fiber Optic Cable Tester in 2025.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box.
Number 4. Visual Fault Locator Fiber Optic Cable Test. Data centers and enterprises rely heavily on optical fiber cabling to support the exploding demand for bandwidth, so being able to test its quality is critical to maximizing network performance and uptime. Fluke Networks has a wide range of fiber optic testing products to help certify that power losses are within standards and to troubleshoot broken and high loss links on single-mode and multi-mode fiber, all with ease of use, accuracy, and durability. Number 5. Komshine High Precision Fiber Optical Identifier, suitable for 0.25/0.9/2.0/3.0 mm fibers. Test sensitivity, -40 dBm 10 dBm, easy to carry, no need to replace the chucks. Be equipped with LED light, more convenient to check the fibers in the dark. LED backlight display, suitable for various environments without auxiliary lighting. Configure VFL function, 2.5 mm universal. Test distance up to 5 km, high stability, strong light source, strong penetrating power.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.